Good morning friends, welcome to J&J Birds. Just a small video on what the birds will normally do in the morning after having breakfast. So morning they had cabbage and cabbage leaves. So once they are filled, they are playing outside the cage. So large cage, you can actually keep them inside and they will enjoy there itself. However, keeping it outside gives them a kind of a freedom. They actually keep on flying here and there, and they just enjoy that small flight also inside the home. You have to be very careful that you don't have the fan when these birds are out, because they normally have linear view, so they will not be able to see the fan blades, and they will get hit. So we have to be very cautious that when the birds are out and if fan is on, then the door is closed, else you switch off the fan. So what are the birds doing now? Let's go. Oh, it's still having a cabbage leaf. Wow, Patu, what are you doing? This is a black-throated, black-cap conure. And blue-throated conure is... See? It just fears the camera. It will not come near you. The camera is... Oh. Having said that, it has come and sat on the phone itself. No. Hey, baby, how are you? How are you? How are you? See the array of colors on this bird. This has blue, green, maroon, black, and red, and yellow. It's so colorful. Once this molting period gets over, this bird will become very, very, very colorful. Very playful bird, and very, very affectionate bird also. It will just love you back unconditionally. So, குட்டிமா என்னம்மா என்னம்மா என்ன குட்டிமா ஏறணும் உனக்கு சரி இங்கே இருந்துக்கோமா சிட்டு பட்டுக்குட்டி பட்டுக்கு வந்து பிடிக்காது இல்லைம்மா வை you want everybody's attention, is it? All attention on you only, is it? You don't want anyone else to be taken on the hand. Sit there, go பட்டுக்குட்டி வாமா வா sure Nikil குட்டி நீ வாமா Nikil, come. So this is Nikil. See, now again the blue-throated conure has come on my shoulder. Nikil baby, என்னம்மா என்ன குட்டி. This also has a very bright olive green near the eyes and a very good black cap. The reason for calling it black cap is it has such a nice a crown kind of a thing on the head, and it goes up to the neck with the neck jewelry, what we can say. Hi, it's a small conure. It grows up to 10 inch, and this one is a medium conure. Come on, Jasma. This is a medium conure, and it can grow up to 12 inch. And both of them are very affectionate. In fact, even the sun conure. Now, Pattu is actually having the cabbage leaf, so slightly busy. Do you want to come? Pattukutti, varaya. Pattu chalo, varaya. It will not come. It doesn't like unless until you give something for it to play. Hey, wow, Pattu chalakutti. Kadika kudaduma, valikiduma. Valikidu chalakutti. Valikidu kutti ma. Okay. This is very colorful, very sunshine-like bird, and you'll really enjoy this bird. This actually grabs a lot of attention when we go out. People just come to watch this Pattu. Yay! It also likes to play, and if I do this, it will try to bite me. It also knows to what level I can bear the pain. As soon as I pattuma valikidun sonnale, it will stop biting. Okay, so this is one of the very good stress buster that you can have in your home. And if you care for them, if you really nurture them well and shower them with love, they will love you back. Welcome to J&J Birds. For any queries on birds, you can contact us. Pattu has started flying. Have a great day, guys. Bye. உனக்கு ஃப்ரூட் மிக்ஸ் வேணுமா? ஃப்ரூட் மிக்ஸ் வேணுமா? It's thinking that's the fruit mix.